Alright guys, so to open the box you have two tabs right here. That should make it easy enough. Seems to be pretty well packaged like most Jjrc products. And things should just slide out very simply, I'm hoping. Let's use a little bit of gravity. Usually does the trick. And then my assistant is going to help me out. Can you go pull on the box on the other side?
Sure.
Just hold on to the box and pull. Oh, that was easy. Alright, so on one side we have the remote itself. As you can see here, pretty simple. The instructions just flew out, which is kind of cool. And then on the other, you have the plane. And the plane looks a lot bigger than I expected. But it has one prop here and two props there. It's pretty cool. And we have the charger here for battery. We have spare props for I think each one of the propellers and the sort of, I think they call these vertical stabilizers, I'm not sure exactly. So yeah, that's what you get in the box. The battery is inside the plane, I would imagine, which is good, because you don't have to figure that out. And somebody said that maybe magnets or something. So pull on here. There we go. And there's your battery right there. Okay, thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video.